How can I speak English fluently and confidently? Have you ever wondered how can I speak English fluently? How can I gain confidence in speaking English? How do I improve my communication skills? If you have been asking these questions, you are in the right place. Today I'm going to share 5 steps that helped me to improve my English, and I know they can help you too. So without further ado, let's get started. Hello everyone, I'm Shamsa Emmanuel and warm welcome to my YouTube channel. I may not be a certified teacher, but I am a dedicated learner and I want to help you to become more confident in speaking English fluently. Step number 1, make learning fun. Most people will tell you that to improve your English, you need to sit in a classroom and memorize grammar rules, but I don't believe that's true. Learning a language should be enjoyable. Here are 3 easy and fun ways to improve your English. Watch simple video content. Start with cartoons, as they use easy and clear English. If cartoons isn't your thing, watch English movies, TV shows, or YouTube videos. Listen to English podcasts or audiobooks. If you don't enjoy watching videos, listening to English can also be helpful. Choose topics that interest you. Read simple English books or articles, short stories, blogs, or even children books are great for beginners. The key is consistency. Practice at least 15 minutes a day. Step number 2. Observe and learn sentence structures. You don't need to memorize difficult words or grammar rules right away. Instead, focus on how sentences are formed. When you watch or read something in English, pay attention to how sentences are structured, how native speakers form their sentences differently from yours, common phrases and expressions. If you notice a phrase or sentence that sounds different from how you would say it, repeat it to yourself several times. The more you observe and practice, the more natural it will feel. Step number 3. Embrace mistakes and keep practicing. One of the biggest reasons people struggling with speaking English is fear of making mistakes. But guess what? Mistakes are parts of learning. Some people might judge you, but remember their opinion doesn't matter. What matters is your progress. If someone corrects your English, don't take it personally. Learn from it. The more you practice, the more better you will become. Step number 4. Train your mind to think in English. Many people struggle with English because they translate from their native language before speaking. This slows down your speech and makes you less confident. To fix this, try thinking in English. Describe your whole day in your mind. Talking to yourself. Speak out loud as if you are having a conversation. Speaking with others, find a practice partner or join online English practice groups. Over time, your mind will automatically process English faster and speaking will feel more natural. Step number 5. Don't put too much pressure on yourself. English is just a language. It's not a measure of intelligence. Many people believe that speaking perfect English makes them smarter, but that's not true. Remember, English is a tool for communication, not for perfection. It's okay if you mix in words from your native language sometimes. Be proud of your progress and don't compare yourself to others. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumb up and subscribe to my channel for more tips on English learning. Let's improve together one step at a time. See you in the next video. Bye bye.